Sino ba sa inyong sinong bet nyo? Third runner-up. Purok 203. 204. Wow, wala sumasagot. 205. Sila po ay tatanggap ng halagang magkano? Third runner-up, tatanggap po siya ng ating cash prize na 3,000. Trophy, certificate, and wala na. Bouquet of flower. Okay. For Mr. Machugay, third runner-up, garnering score of 89.87% is candidate number 1. Palakpakan natin si candidate number 1, Mr. Machugay 2025 third runner-up. Our next award, major award for Mr. Machugay 2025 Barangay Tolentino East second place. Garnering score of 90.53%. Candidate number 6. Candidate number 6 for second runner-up. For Mr. Machugay 2025 Barangay Tolentino East first runner-up, garnering score of 91%. Candidate number 7. Mother Panalo. Sino ang tatanganin? Mr. Machugay 2025 Barangay Tolentino East. Sino? Purok 205, 204, 203, 202. Sino kaya ang tumama? Konti lang ang difference doon sa first runner-up. Ang ating tatanghaling Mr. Machugay 2025 Barangay Tolentino East, garnering score of 91.13% is no other than candidate number 5. Balik ka na, balik na raw, balik na.